Thank you very much, Ed. And thank you very much for coming to the Speaker's Conference Room to accept your designations as the chairpersons in your province, city, district, and the region. The Lakas Party is continuing its organization down to the district level, municipal level, and provincial level. And the designation is because of the fact that there have been vacancies created in the last elections, either by resignation or the vacancies were created by something else. At any rate, it is our policy to fill up all of these vacancies with the incumbent congressmen, governors, and mayors because we believe in the equity of the incumbent. It is no secret that the Lakas Party is strengthening its organization and that we are committed to merge and coalesce with our parties, the majority parties, because we want to put up a formidable slate in the coming 2010 elections. We would like the continuity of our governance, and we would not like to be second-class citizens after 2010. So we will endeavor to have the next president elected either from our party or from our merged coalitions with the other parties in support of the administration. And Lakas being the dominant majority party with all the rights and privileges given by law to a dominant majority party, including copies of the election returns during election day and the provisions for appointment of watchers in every precinct. We shall ensure that our party will still continue to be the party in power and will continue to be the majority dominant party after the elections of 2010. We are gearing up to an elections in 2010 and we must all be prepared. We would like to assure everybody that as a matter of policy, the Lakas will always honor very, very, very strictly the rule of equity of the incumbent. There shall be no playing around or riding 2 or 3 horses during the election. We put our bets on the incumbent and we win or we lose our bets with that incumbent down to the last elective position. So with that, we want to assure the provincial, the district, and the city and municipal chairpersons that we shall respect it very strictly and we shall not waver in that commitment. And that we would like to exhort you to go back to your province and districts and start the grassroots organization down to the barangay level to prepare for the 2010 elections. The party will support every move that you make towards this end, and the party will meet with our coalition partners in the provinces and in municipalities, in the districts and in the cities. And we will try to forge as many alliances as possible so that we can be assured that we will not have a difficult time in the 2010 elections. So again, I'd like to thank you for this opportunity and for the privilege the party's leaders in your area of jurisdiction. We are going to organize this, and our policy is going up. It's a bottoms-up policy. Decisions will not come from the top to be absorbed by those at the bottom, but the decisions will come from the bottom, relayed to the top, and that will be the policy of the party. So the little leaders are very important to us. The small leaders are very important to us. And we can only have followers if we know how to listen to them. We can only lead if what we are doing has the sanction of our followers. So I urge everybody, like I do all members of the House, to go back to their districts, to their provinces, and do grassroots consultations on all the major issues that are besetting this country today, so that we will be able to get a clearer picture of what the sovereign will wants. We cannot presume to speak as leaders for ourselves, because we may just be talking about our personal opinions. I would rather that we do the consultations from the municipal level to the barangay level, and let's make a decision later on after proper public consultations with our people. So again, thank you very much for coming to the Speaker's office this afternoon, and I wish all of us the best of luck.